video because I'm going over to Rob's house today to do a little bit more work.
Alright, JetSki Brothers, are you ready to rock? Well, then let's get on!
And thank you so much. We're celebrating 100,000 subscribers. And to thank you for congratulating me for making the videos. 100,000 subscribers, that's gonna be a lot of money. That's gonna be about 10 grand a year. That's enough for all of us to quit our jobs.
We're gonna march into Washington, D.C. We're gonna take over the White House. Ah!
We're not really a political YouTube channel, but that was a tribute to the famous Howard Dean scream. He was a presidential candidate some time ago, and you know, I don't think I did Howard justice for his famous Dean scream. If you want to look up the Dean scream, it's way better than I made it sound, and we're actually pretty sure that Howard Dean is a subscriber to JetSki Brothers. So Howard, thanks for watching the videos. This one's a little bit for you. We just wanted to honor you with your famous scream for this video, and you know, God bless. Thank you for watching. Also, I don't think I have very much voice left after doing these. I've been doing a bunch of scream voice stuff in this car drive for like funny clips for the video, and I'm gonna sound like I've got a sore throat. I can tell right now my voice is bad, so I hope you guys really enjoyed the screaming. Okay, JetSki Brothers here. We're in the garage again. Here is the bullet. This hood is not my hood. I stole the hood from Jason so that I could mock up some mounts and the hood clamp on it. So, borrowed hood for hooking it up. Anybody got a hood? Anybody want to make me a hood? Tell me, because I need a hood. And all the hoods that you can buy readily available for this thing, they're $1,000, and I think they're kind of ugly. So it'd be one thing if they weren't ugly, but I don't want to pay $1,000 and have an ugly hood that I don't like. So that is a thing. Where we left off. Let's see. Oh yeah. So we were cutting this guy, the flange down. This is an old piece. And so before we were probably at about that thick, and you know, after everything we probably took like 300 thou off of the exhaust manifold, so sanded her down good, and so that's gonna give us a lot more room. I still gotta port match this thing bigger to the cylinders, but you know, being that I cut it back, it's probably off of the stock gasket size. It's probably a little bit weird to that, but since I got to open it up anyway, it should be really, really good. So we're going to do that. And then also I bought, this is an or a battery box that I bought. I think this is off of some Kawasaki STX. So should be able to mount it on the metal inserts, so I can just drill and bolt it in. Minimal fabrication for that, but that's where we're at right now, and I'll show you where we are next time I have something interesting to show you. I will not report anything until I have something to report. This is what it looks like with a hood on it. I really think it looks cool with the stock pole, stock hood. It's just kind of a sleeker, more old school look. Obviously, I'm gonna put some graphics on here, but I cannot do that until I get a hood. So, guys, I need a hood. But I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about, as far as for the tray padding, just doing like a bottom mat and leaving the sides blank. I think that would look really cool in combination with that kind of shaved pad look on the pole. Plus, I mean, I don't really care about having pads here. I almost don't feel very comfortable with the pad material on my Superjet. Might be because it's a little bit more square here, but when you're wearing boots anyway, it doesn't matter. And I wear those shoes for safety, so. But yeah, so I'm gonna be able to drill and get this latch mounted up. And I think my electrical box mount's gonna go on the back side of that. So if I can just get one more thing done, we're good. So I got the electrical box. It's mounted in. That's just a mock-up box. Not really necessary. We got the real box there, but I had it. So we got the mock-up in. I am just going to drill one bolt hole on the top. I'll do like a countersink thing, kind of like here, and I'll paint it black. Nobody will ever see it. And then that'll do it for a lot of the fabrication. I mean, yeah. So I got that. I got to port match the exhaust manifold, and then I believe the pipe should fit really good in there. But after that, I think really the main fabrication, excuse me, it should be done. So that's a really nice feeling. I do still have to wait for some stuff to come in the mail, but it's really getting close. So that's what the electrical box looks like when it's mounted in there. Yeah, horrible shot probably. Trying to actually get something. I can see it really good because I'm here, but you guys can only see what I film, so you're kind of screwed. But yeah, so it looks nice in there. I think I decided I'm gonna put a primer bubble like right under here so it won't clutter up the dash. It'll look really clean. And then, yeah, man, this manifold's so much skinnier. So much skinnier. That's going to be so nice. Yeah, and then I might make a new one of these out of metal. Haven't decided yet. Oh, yeah, and I also remembered. I showed you, I made a video a long time ago of these pole braces I was going to put on here. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use them, but at some point I'll bring them over and show you what the idea was. I'll tell you, it's not totally stupid like it probably looked. You'll see when I do it. I may do it yet. We'll see. It kind of has to go with like the graphic scheme on the ski. Like I don't want to do it and have it not all look like it was one kind of like coherent, thought out idea for the whole vision for how it's gonna look. So that's kind of why I want to wait till I got a lot more of it done. Wait till I have the hood, till I really finish all the like kind of aesthetic pieces on the outside of the ski. But I'll give you a bonus here because we're back. You probably don't know where we are with Rob's jet boat, but when you're making it out of like lots of bits and pieces of ski, sometimes you don't have everything you need. So he's got like two, I think 750 SS Kawasaki steering shafts that he's got like bonded together in the middle with like a little joiner coupler. And so he's got all these linkages that he had to make to make it work. But I mean, makes it so you don't have to buy another $100 steering cable. So just yeah, here's more looks at it. So I can't remember where it was last time I filmed, but this thing should be the cat's meow, and it's done. Okay, I'm trying to drill the mount holes for the electrical box in there, or the battery tray, and it looks like I can drill them without taking the engine out. I'm really happy about it. Taking the engine out sucks, kind of. So we're gonna drill in there, and I'll show you how the battery box looks. What the battery tray looks like in there. Bolted it in. So I'm gonna get some like little plastic wing nuts to just stick on there, and then it's easy in and out for the battery. Pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool, eh? To all our Canadian watchers. Are there any Canadians that watch this? Just comment below if you're a Canadian guy that watches this. I mean, we know we got some Australian guys, a lot of American guys.
You know, we got old Mick O'Toole from Dublin, Ireland.
And Roberto from Mexico.
Yeah, Roberto from Mexico. I don't know. Yeah, just or anybody if you are from a country or something. Anybody from a country? Yeah, just comment.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to rock? Are you? Well, JetSki brother. What's up, JetSki? JetSki brother. What's up, JetSki brothers? Are you ready to rock? Oh, this jet ski has made my life so difficult. Oh, it makes me want to smoke. All right, JetSki brothers, we're gonna go in there. We're gonna take over the White House. Ah! Are you ready to watch the video? Then look at it.
Guys.